Hey guys. Welcome back. Sorry, I'm just having a little chuckle at myself. Still getting used to this, doing these vlogs, so talking to yourself in a room when no one's around is a little bit odd, but I am persistent, and we will at the end be fluent at making these videos. Yeah, so just a little update. We left Antigua about a week ago, and we've been slowly making our way across the Atlantic Ocean. As you know, this is my second one in the last month and a bit. Sorry for the lack of Italian renovation footage, but hopefully after this episode, it will be renovation. This opportunity just fell into my lap to make a bit of extra cash. So how it works is they posted a job saying they need a temp second officer or OOW, officer of the watch, to do the crossing. So what it is, I just help out with navigational watch, and then a bit of work on the side. I do two shifts. I do two shifts of 4 hours, 12 till 4 midday, and then 12 till 4 at night. Yeah, and it's pretty much just sitting in a comfy chair and looking out the window, making sure we don't hit anything. Yeah, so yeah, it's like just a couple of interesting facts. The distance across for the Atlantic crossing is about 2,800, give or take, nautical miles, and in kilometers that's about 5,300 kilometers. So it's quite a big distance. And then we cruise at about 15 knots, which is about 30 kilometers per hour. And so therefore it takes us about 2 weeks, give and take, weather to cross the Atlantic Ocean. So we're about a couple of hours out of the Azores, as you can see, where we'll fuel up, do bunkering, take a bit of fuel, and then we'll do our last little passage to the UK, Falmouth, where I'll get off, and then I'll go on with my travels. But yeah, so that's about it for now. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, so we've launched our Instagram page, so please head over there and like, follow, comment. Changing latitudes, like I said, the Instagram account will be a bit more of a daily update, a weekly update of what's happening day by day. And then yeah, as soon as the episodes are released, I'll post it on Instagram. You guys can head over and watch me vlog, or get used to me watching me vlog. But yeah, so it's a beautiful day out here today. As you can see, it's the weather is nice, it's calm, and yeah, it's easy sailing. But yeah, hopefully next time, and I keep saying this, hopefully next time we'll be in Italy. But at the moment, plans are looking good. I spoke to the architect yesterday. Unfortunately, due to COVID or the Italian government, the plans are still dragging. So, but it's not going to deter us from going to Italy. We've got that booked in a couple of weeks, and then yeah, I'll meet up with you guys there. So hopefully, this is probably the longest way to get to Italy, 2 Atlantic crossings to get to Italy. But yeah, we'll get there and we'll get started and we'll do it. Cheers, guys.
By myself, trying to figure ways to you. Your voice stuck in my brain, we never got to see it through. And I know I feel more pain if we're speaking truth. Cause when the daylight comes still lose. So will I feel it again? I just don't know. And I'm hoping I'll find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low? So will I feel it again? I just don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know. 'Cause when the daylight comes, I still lose. So will I feel it again? I just don't know. And I'm hoping I'll find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low? So will I feel it again? I just don't know. I just don't know. Looking back at our time, hoping that we did it right. And give me any reason to call you up late at night. And we know it's for the best, I won't put up a fight. 'Cause when the daylight comes, I still lose. So will I feel it again? I just don't know. And I'm hoping I'll find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low? So will I feel it again? I just don't know. I just don't know.
There we go, guys. This is us arriving in the Azores. So yeah, so we're going to do some bunkering now, and then I think we'll leave around 1:30. So then I'm back on watch.
Yeah, I was going to get a real good price on this fucking one. No.
Welcome to Horta, Azores. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. As you can see, we've not left the Azores. After arriving last night, we decided to stay. The weather was just not feasible for us to leave. It's blowing absolutely hurley out there. You can see my hair is all over the place. Jokes. It's just bad maintenance. Yeah, so we're not leaving until tomorrow. So which means we've got a couple of hours. Well, we've got the night, and then tomorrow down here in the Azores. So as true sailors, we've found the closest pub to have a couple of drinks, and it's actually quite a famous pub down here in Horta. It's called Peter's Cafe and Sport. And on the inside, as you walk in, it's very busy. It's quite hard to find a table, and there's courtesy flags or flags from different countries all over the place. So very interesting. So it's quite nice for us to have a little break between leaving Antigua, arriving here, and then before we head over to the UK. So a nice little stop, little breather, and for us to have a little cerveza. So what I'll do is now I'll just walk into the pub. I'll just give you guys a little bit of an overview of the surroundings on the inside, and then yeah. Otherwise, we're not doing much tonight. We're having a couple of drinks, getting some food, and then early nights, and then tomorrow we set sail again for the UK. So, right, here we go. I'll cross the street safely. I'm just waiting for the cars to pass.
Nice fucking job, isn't it?
These drinks.
You don't want one. You don't have to have it.
Yeah, they look like
Where's the cutlery at?
no, they look like what is the word? Scallops.
Yeah.
Little baby scallops. I know, right? I love it.
They're alright. They're a bit chewy, but it's like fishy. That's right, guys. They're hot though.
Same. You couldn't get more.
You are a tomboy, aren't you? I've had lemons before where they actually do them raw. Really? They chop them up. They're really fucking good.
Let's taste it.
Captain Grove.
You're not going anywhere near this festival.
Yes, all here. All of them. Oh, yeah. So the cheese comes with bread as well.
Right then, sign me up.
Make it known. I get that on board that want to be known as the accent. I get that. Like, some people have that whole tradition. But
No.
Guys?
and nice people like break freedom for that tradition, but like it's on a wall in water.
I promise you it was Bruce. Because I said to him, good morning mate, every morning, and he goes, my name's fucking Bruce.
Whatever it was, I
was
stood at
Bruce,
the door
not
and I
Adam.
walked away and I looked behind me and you just came cruising in, sat in the corner, right? Alright, Cap, and just started reading off some bullshit. I was like,
So, yeah, we had a fun night last night in Azores in Horta. Good night of a couple of drinks and some food. We're almost leaving. We've got about an hour left. I just showed you guys a bit of a local tradition here in Horta. When the vessels dock here on this dock, they do like a little mural or the boat's name. They'll paint on the wall, and we've done the same. So. Came out really good. The vessel's name is Pi. Yeah, so there we go. It's a beautiful day here, and we're about to leave. So see you on the other side.
The silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Feel the wind touch our face. Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape, let's escape, let's escape, let's escape. Close through the night, I won't let go until the sunrise. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Wave goodbye to your city life, and say hello to the desert sky. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape, let's escape, let's escape.
Here we go, we are off. We've left the Azores, we're on our way to the UK. After this, it's Italy, and you know what that means. Renovation, renovation, renovation. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in Italy. Can't wait. Cheers, guys.